Hi everyone, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. Today's our new topic is how to load Purchase Challan and Purchase Bill in Marg software. So, what is Purchase Challan? Purchase Challan is basically a document type for the confirmation of delivery of the goods, for which Purchase Bill is created once confirmed. Purchase Challan is also created to maintain the record of the inventory. So let's see the process of loading Purchase Challan into Purchase Bill in Marg software. Firstly, go to Transactions option, then click to Purchase option, then click to Bill option. A purchase entry window will appear in which the user will enter the date in Date field. Press Enter key, then a Ledgers window will appear where the user will select the ledger. Suppose Ranbaxy India Limited, so the user will again switch to the purchase entry window. Enter the party number and again press Enter key. A Select Challans window will appear in which the user will select the challan by pressing the spacebar key. Press Enter key. A Select Challans window will appear in which the user will select the challan by pressing the spacebar key. Press Enter key. Now, the user can view that the pending challan has been loaded in the bill. Here S means that these items have been supplied. Press Tab key to save the bill, then Save Changes window will open where the user will click on Yes button to save the changes. After following the above steps, the user can load the Purchase Challan and Purchase Bill in Marg software. If you love our tutorials videos, then please subscribe our channel Marg ERP Solutions. Please press the like button, share this videos to your family members and friends, and comment us with your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.